Hey guys, so today we're going to be working with selections in Photoshop, and the first tool is the quick selection tool. But first we need to zoom in on the object. So you want to go down in the tools panel and find the magnifying glass and press that, and then you want to hover over this object, zoom in here, and then just center that in your screen so you can really see it. Now we want to go up and find the quick selection tool, which is the fourth tool down here. It's also paired with the magic wand, just make sure you have the right one. Then you want to hover over your object, go into the corner of the image that you're trying to select, then press, and it should select the entire object. Now that you have that selected, you want to go up and grab the move tool, and then come back over your object, and you should be able to easily move it around the screen, and you can place this somewhere else on the project or drag this onto another project. So we're going to put that back, and to deselect you want to go up to the top, click select, and just scroll down, and you want to hit deselect, and it'll easily place it back on. Next tool that we're using is the magic wand tool. So zoom in on the image you want to select, get that in the center of your screen, and then for this to work properly you need to draw a marquee around the image. So go up, find your rectangular marquee tool in the panel, draw a box around the image, and go up, find your magic wand tool. It's with the quick selection tool, just make sure you're using the right one. And then to select, you want to make sure up in the options bar that the subtract from selection is what you're on. And then if you click on the white in the box that you just drew, it should select the entire image. Go up, find your move tool, and this should easily cut from where you selected it. And then when you have it where you want it, go up, select, and deselect. Next two tools that we're going to be using are kind of similar. The first one is the lasso tool. So once you're zoomed in your image, go up and find that in the tool panel. And this, you have to freehand trace the entire image while holding the mouse down. And you can do this taking your time and a lot more precise, but for example purposes, I'm just going to quickly trace this. Once you get to your starting point, you want to release the mouse and it should select the entire image. And then you go up, find your move tool, and this should leave the page, and you can put that where you want it to go, and then go up and select, deselect once again. And now the next tool is similar. It's the magnetic lasso tool. This is better for images with high defined edges, and the background is a very different color than what you're trying to select. So go up, it's with the lasso tool. It's magnetic lasso instead, and then if you start to do the same thing and trace, it should snap exactly to the edges of your image because it can pick up those high definition edges of the image. So once you get back to your starting point, release your mouse and it should select the entire image. Go up, find your move tool, and cut that from the page and move it where you want to put it, and then go up and select, deselect once again.